The 2019 Avalon is a really important car for Toyota. There was a lot of new technology as part of the Toyota new global architecture. And so that meant we needed to work closely with the designers and with the engineers to make sure that the team can produce it efficiently.
It was very critical that the earliest stages, we brought together the different divisions to work with design to give input. During the clay model development, we were able to see the styling and start to understand how could we bring the product to life? How would we be able to manufacture it?
We work with the team members on making sure that they have all the tools and equipment that they need to install the parts onto the vehicle correctly. And so for us in engineering, it's exciting to be able to work with design early on because it helps us as a company to make sure that they're fine-tuned to what they need every day to ensure that we build the best cars for our customer.
This is really a team environment, and it's exciting to put both my passion for cars and for engineering into play every day.
We always want to challenge ourselves to do even more. It's really about the Toyota pride. It's about building something special and knowing that every customer is getting the absolute best.